Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 stocks to be keeping on your watch list for today, Friday. And also today is a half day, so keep that in mind as you are trading. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions from the comment section of last night's video for those of you who watched that one and for those of you who are new. So let's get started. Right off the bat, right now you're looking at the SPY. The SPY futures right now are up. Yesterday when I made that video, we were down here by like negative 0.24%. And now it bounced right back up. I told you this negative realm that we were in was gonna be temporary. And so far it proved to be temporary. And now it looks like we want to go higher. Okay. So today is actually gonna be it's gonna be a great day for the longs. It really is. If you're long in the SPY, is definitely a hold for me. I'm not bearish on the SPY at all. I'm not bearish on the market. So now let's get started with the top stocks, okay? The very first one that you should be keeping on your watch list today is SNE. And SNE looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. The pattern that I see here is on the 30-minute time frame. And the pattern is right here. Okay? Right there. Right here, and it's breaking out, and honestly I think it has more room to run in the upper 100, like in the 100 or 105. Just anywhere in here today might make a major move to 97, but then again you should keep this in your watchers for a continuation into the next week because this is not done yet. I don't think this is done yet. It's gonna run a little higher, okay, especially given the fact that like their console, their PS5 sold out within like minutes, and now a lot of people are pissed and they're waiting to see when they're gonna come out with more supply. So just keep Sony in your watch list for today. Today's might be a long day for sure. It might be a long day, so watch this thing for a move up to $97. Now, the second stock that we're going to be talking about is HSBC. And HSBC is still doing great. I talked about this stock, I believe it was 2 days ago. And the pattern that I see on here is right there, okay? And so far, the nice thing about this stock is that it kind of dipped down on Wednesday and gave everybody who missed out on this move another chance to get in right on the dip or right in the middle of the day. Honestly, it didn't matter. But right now, what matters is that it's up right now. And I think it got room to go up even higher towards $28 or $29, just like anywhere in this giant region right here. All right. So watch for the stock to get in there very, very soon. I don't have anything negative to say about HSBC. It looks great. It looks fantastic. And still long on this one. Now, the very next one that we're going to be talking about is NVDA. Watch NVIDIA for a long. For everybody who missed yesterday's video, there is a falling wedge on the video. It's right here. It's pretty obvious. Right there. Yes. Falling wedge on the video. Okay. And I mentioned yesterday to expect a move to the upside. And the stock right now, pre-market, is showing you that it wants to go even higher. Okay, so where could it go today? Honestly, I can see this thing probably at like 545. Okay, maybe strong maybe that it gets to 550. Strong maybe. There isn't any news at all, but the only thing that I look for in these is the chart. Okay, there's a falling wedge right there. It's so clean. It's a very simple concept. For those of you who have never seen a falling wedge before, let's just look at Baba, and there you go. Expect this. All right, people, expect this. Very simple concept, okay? So NVIDIA should be on your watch list for today for a move up to a minimum 540, maximum 550, okay? So watch this for a long. This is probably like the number one stock that you should be keeping in your watch list. I'm not gonna lie, just keep that one. Make it like number one. And then like put the other one, just sprinkle it right below this one. So just keep this one on your watch list for today. All right. Now the next one that we're going to be talking about is the song that I talked about yesterday. the stock on the thumbnail for yesterday's video, that one was AQB. In AQB, I told y'all that the title of that video, this stock is ready to break out. And right now, it's looking like it jumped up right after that video. Look at that. It's so ready. It's so ready. It looks so good. So yeah, watch this one as well. My drawings are still on the chart. I haven't touched the chart since yesterday. So watch this thing for a move even higher. It looks great. It looks fantastic. So there you go. Now it's about that time that we talk about some of you guys' questions. And the very first one that I'm going to address is UPS. All right, so for those of you who've been wondering about UPS, let's see how that one is doing. Okay. And UPS is showing a slow uptrend. Yeah, it's showing a slow uptrend. There isn't any specific pattern on here. But the one thing that I do like is that it's curling up. It's not watch this thing for a break below 171, especially if you bought this dip. A break below 171 could lead to this thing falling down even further. So watch that. But when I look at the chart again, I see that there are a bunch of short sellers in here. And as soon as they get taken out, like this thing might go to 185. So just keep that in mind, okay? Short sellers here, short sellers right there, and then another set of short sellers right over here. And there isn't any news at all, but it's all technical here. So watch for a break above that level. Okay, if it breaks that level, then expect to move up to like 185 or 190 within the next coming weeks. But right now, just if you're long, just be careful for this thing not to break below 170. If it does, then we're going back down to 166 and maybe even down further. So again, just keep that in mind as you're trading this. The market is up right now. It went up from 0.25 when I started recording the video to 0.37, which is a great sign. Now, let's talk about another one. Another stock that we should be keeping on your watch list is KRON. KRON, somebody asked about KRON. Where do I think it may go? And personally, I think it can go sideways for like maybe 1 or 2 days. I'm not bearish on this. I do want it to go just a little bit more before breaking out later to like $10. But this is something that you want to keep and watch for like next week, okay? Or today even. It may make a move today, but I'm not bearish on this at all. It looks ready to make a move to the upside. So definitely keep that one on your watch list as well. Now, another stock that somebody asked about was CRM. And what's going on with CRM? The stock got annihilated yesterday for some reason. Apparently, yeah, there was some reason. Y'all can just look in the in the news section, but it got annihilated. Okay, and if you look on the daily, the daily isn't looking so great. There is a massive bearish engulfing candle on the chart, and it has earnings coming up on Tuesday the 1st. Okay, so again, I don't condone holding anything through earnings, and so far it's looking more like a triple top to me, right there. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm not too confident about this stock, especially given the fact that earnings is coming up. So what I do expect is it's gonna open at 450 today, and if it doesn't make a move back up towards like the high 265 and just starts trading in this region, like you should be worried, especially if you have high expectations for the stock, because earnings might break it down all the way down to like 200. Like, so just keep that in mind as you trade in this. Be very careful with this stock. It's not looking too great right now, especially after they got destroyed yesterday, right? This massive fall, everybody in here lost money. Everybody who was holding calls in here, those calls probably went to $0. And I would think that a lot of these traders who lost so much money will try to cut losses as soon as it gets to 255, and then it might just stay down. So just watch this thing. Just be careful with this thing. That's really all I gotta say for the person who asked about it. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. If you got value from the video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you are new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released in the afternoon every single day. If you're not following us on social media already, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. The links are right there. All right. Also, if you are a beginner looking to make some money in the stock market and looking to get started, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. It only takes about 15 minutes or less to sign up with everything you need to get started in the stock market and to also have access to this amazing charting software right here. This is called Think or Swim. It's free of charge and is offered by TD Ameritrade after you sign up with them. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using my very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Be very careful out there. Today is a Friday. Don't be too greedy. If you're winning, it's okay to take some money off the table. All right? Don't give back profits. And be very careful out there.